Hello everyone, welcome to this video session on the concept advertisement. This is the continuation of the video on the concept advertisement, which is there in the Unit B composition section of the paper Compulsory Foundation Course in English, the English language paper of 4th semester BCA, BSc, BA, BCom, BSW in Mangalore University. Welcome to today's session. In this session, we are going to see the concept advertisement with some more examples and the discussion of a model question. So let's revise the thing discussed already. So advertisement is a public notice which is asking for or offering service, buying or selling goods, and giving information about missing persons, pets, jobs, and all. So there are actually broadly speaking, two types of advertisement as they are classifieds and commercials. In your syllabus, commercial advertisements or making a commercial advertisement or drafting it is prescribed. Commercial advertisements are actually to sell goods and services. They are made to variety of mediums, for example, television, radio, newspapers, magazines, billboards, variety of mediums. So a commercial advertisement should catch the reader's attention. We use several techniques to catch the reader's attention because we should attract them, we should make them curious about a product, attract them towards the product and make them buy the product in an advertisement. To do this, though you are not preparing advertisement commercially to sell any product, but as a composition skill, a skill which involves your creative thinking, your ability to design a concept, your language skill, as well as your ability to draw pictures, visualize things. So these things are included in the concept of composing advertisements. Okay, so we'll go to some other things that we visited already, that is essential details. What should be included in ad? Name of the company or institute or organizer should be there. Details regarding the product or service, whatever you're making advertisement on should be included. Any offers or anything which can attract the customer should be included. Address of the company or institution should be included, and there should always be a frame. Advertisement should be made within the frame, and there should be a logo or some picture that is relevant to the organization, institution, that should represent them annuvantaddu. And moreover, another important quality is to catch the attention of the readers by using several techniques like varying font size, varying shapes, and different colored fonts. That is not possible in your exam hall. When you are making advertisement for some other as a creative purpose, maybe for assignment submission or something, there you can remember, you can use also ಕಲರ್ಗಳನ್ನು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಇತ್ಯಾದಿಗಳು. ಸೊ ಇಮೇಜಸ್ಸನ್ನು, ಸೊ ಇವೆಲ್ಲವನ್ನು ನಾವು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಅಡ್ವರ್ಟೈಸ್ಮೆಂಟ್ in an attractive way. Anyhow, so then another important quality that you have to remember in the concept advertisement is that USP. USP is actually unique selling proposition. In simple, we can say it is the unique selling points you give for a product. So it makes a product different from what USP you include for a product. It makes it different from other products, similar products. It should motivate, right? It motivates a reader to buy that. It should encourage them to go for a product, and it should be highlighted in the advertisement. USP should be highlighted in the advertisement because that is the reason you are introducing that product. Why that product is special, that you should speak in USP ಅನ್ನೋದು. And as per the guidelines given for us, we should include at least minimum 5 lines of 5 points of USP ಅನ್ನೋದು, right? Not lines. Certainly it is points, right? Bullet points ಅನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬಹುದು, for example, ಹೀಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Then we went to some model example, one that is of Zodiac designer pens. It had all these 6 points: company name, product name, logo. You can see logo, and logo in the sense a picture here, USP is there here, and catchy slogans are there like do you have a bad handwriting, want to improve, right? So like that. And then contact details are there here. So contact details actually not there clear, but company details as Zodiac Limited is there in the below. Okay, we will go to another model 2. See here, it's actually an advertisement for a service. I mean, it's an educational institution. An ad is prepared for them. You see, Orient Classes is the company name, and then it has got +2 students aspiring for a career in medicine. Welcome to is there here, where success is sure. See, +2 students is the USP for that. I mean, to whom this course is there, that is prescribed, explained there. Can also see a slogan where success is sure. Students, you can see that some rudimentary structures are available from these sentences. In the last example also you can see, enter a new word of creativity. You can definitely use these slogans in other examples where you create. So whatever you write in exam, advertisements you draft in exams, there also you can use enter a new word of creativity if it is for some particular product. Or do you have this experience? So like that you can ask these questions. Or even trendy, smooth, related to these words can be used. So many words used here can be used in your draft of advertisement too. Then you can see in this example also you have +2 students aspiring is the USP like thing, because it is telling us what is the specialty or for whom this is there. Then classes commencing. So where success is sure is a slogan. You can use it for anything. Where quality is sure, for a product you can use where quality is sure or assured, right? Like that. Then you have details, classes commencing from what and what, and you see other USP details like excellent faculty, transport facility. Please observe the way things are arranged here. See, onde line nalli ellavanna kodlilla, right? You can see one here and the next one tab half tab space, then again half tab space, then again. So different colored fonts. Somewhere it is capital letter and then small letter, right? So you see arrangement of things. Details are arranged in a very tricky way. Look at the very shape taken here, right? It's like eyelid, right? Namma kannina ondu eyelid, right? Looks like eyelid here. It opened these information. They have used this in a very creative way. Then contact details are also presented here. So when you look at these 6 points, company detail is there, product name is there, logo or picture is there. So of course logo or picture particularly not there in this, right? You can see logo illa, right? Adre ee ಒಂದು font size ಏನಿದೆ, that is probably the way that company name is written ಅನ್ನೋ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, right? ಹಾಗೆ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ನೋಡಬಹುದು, ಲೋಗೋ ಅನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಅನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸಬಹುದು. That one thing you can see. Then catchy slogans are there, right? Catchy slogans are there. Contact details are also available. This was not there in the last one, right? So here you have contact details that can be given because here it is needed, right? It's a service alva, contact ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು education institution, ಅದನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Okay, let's move on to next model 3. So this is again about the product, but you can see here some offer is given here, free trial offer. This was not there in the earlier example. Some offer is introduced. This offer can be introduced with number of shapes, right? Maybe you can give a star mark like these and say 50% off. Like that, offer can be included even in your draft of my advertisement. Adana see, that's good. And you see how to sell fresh peas is a question mark is also there here, right? That is another catchy slogan. You see the image, they have drawn an image here, right? Mother choice, company, and the details are there. A slogan is given like these in this shape, right? The goodness of peas all year round. So, right? The assurance of quality all year round. For example, you can modify these sentences the way it is needed for you. Try it now, right? For any product you can use this, right? Then no refrigeration required. Any quality, this is USP, right? USP of the product. See again, you have quick to cook, ready to eat in USP anna, right? 10 minutes, right? A clock is used. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಫ್ರಿಜರೇಷನ್ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರ ಬಂತು, ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ ಅನ್ನುವಾಗ ಒಂದು ಚಿತ್ರ ಬಂತು. ಹೇಗೆ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ನ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಎಂಟಿ ಸ್ಪೇಸ್, ಇದರ ನಡುವೆ ಆಚೆ ಈಚೆ ಅರೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅನ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ರೈಟ್? ಎ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಅವಿಜ್ ಲೆವರ್ ಪ್ರೈವೇಟ್ ಲಿಮಿಟೆಡ್, ಈ ಥರ ಕಂಪನಿ ಹೆಸರನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಡೀಟೇಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರು, ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. This is another example for touching these 6 topics here, right? So you can see pictures instead of logo here. You can also include logo if needed, right? Anyhow, so this is a third model I would like to give you. You can observe this and draw your own ideas that how can you make your advertisement ಅನ್ನೋದು. Then the fourth one, which is very nearer to your handwritten advertisement. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಒಂದು ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ದೀಸ್ ಆರ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಇನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರು. ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರಿಟನ್ಗೆ ನಿಯರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲನ್ನು ನಾನು ಕೊಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸಿ ಅವೈಲಬಲ್ ಓವರ್ ಗೂಗಲ್, ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ ಟೂತ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನೇಮ್. ಸೊ ಕಂಪನಿ ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ ಮೇ ಬಿ, ಸೊ ಟೂತ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ಪಾರ್ಕಲ್ ಟೂತ್ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಕಂಪನಿಯ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ನೇಮನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಎವ್ರಿ ಡೇ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಯು ದ ಡೆಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಅವೇ, ವಿಟ್ಟಿ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, right? You see, an apple a day keeps a doctor away, right? You know that probably a joke is there. Somebody who started offering an apple to his beloved, because that beloved of him had an affair with some doctor also. He wanted the doctors to be kept away, so he started supplying apple. There is a joke, right? See here, it keeps a doctor away, alva? That is, an apple a day keeps doctor away is a saying in English, right? Is a statement in English. So this person, this advertisement used that for this purpose by modifying it as every day it will keep the dentist away. Intelligent or witty usage. See, prevent from cavities, bad breath, gum infection, discoloration. See, one thing you can observe here, to write USP for products like these, you should think like a customer, right? When you think of a paste, right, toothpaste for example, as a customer you have some demands, right? So if you have cavity, you need a relief from that. If you have bad breath after breathing, or if any bad paste creates bad breath, we want relief, from that. So we need good paste for that reason. Gum infections, gum on the teeth, ನಮ್ಮ ದವಡೆಯ ಮೇಲ್ಭಾಗ ಏನಿದೆ ಗಮ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಡಿಸ್ಕಲರೇಷನ್, ಸಮ್ಟೈಮ್ಸ್ ಯೆಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್ಡ್ ಟೀತ್, ಅದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ತೆಗೆಯುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ನೀಡ್ಸ್, ರೈಟ್? ಕೇಟರಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್ಸ್ ನೀಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ದ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದು ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ಹೈಲೈಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ USP ಆಗಿ. ಸೊ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಡೂ? ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಎ ಕಸ್ಟಮರ್. ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಬೈಯಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್, ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೀಸ್ ಯು ನೀಡ್? ದಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ USP. ಅದನ್ನು USPಗೆ ನೀವು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಸೊ ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ you should step into the shoe of a customer. I mean, you should think like a customer there, right? Let your smile sparkle and shine with healthy teeth in no time. Intelligent usage. Slogan is used here. See, the word sparkle is used here. Company name is used within the slogan. Let your smile sparkle, right? A shine, ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಹೊಳೆಯಲಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ, healthy teeth in no time ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಳಸೋದನ್ನು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. And also available in cinnamon, mint, citrus, various flavors. ಅದನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Marketed by Procter and Gamble is a company name. This is the model 4. This again touches these 4, right? Company. Another thing, please observe, simple design is made here. Design of a toothpaste. Certainly you cannot keep a footwear as a design here, right? What I am telling you is relevant picture, tolerable picture, relevant picture is very important. See, again the title of the company is there within the ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಅದು ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕೂಡ ಇದೆ. ಬೇರೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಲೋಗೋ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಲೋಗೋ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು, ರೈಟ್? ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಲೋಗೋ ಕೊಡ್ಬೋದು. ಮೇ ಬಿ ವೆಜಿಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಲೋಗೋ ಇದೆ, ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ ಗ್ರೀನ್, ಆ ರೀತಿಯಾದ ಲೋಗೋಗಳನ್ನು ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅಗೇನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಅನದರ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ದಟ್ R ಅಂತ ಇದೆ, ರೈಟ್? ರಿಜಿಸ್ಟರ್ಡ್ ಅಥವಾ R ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು. ದೆನ್ TM ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಕೆಲವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರೇಡ್ ಮಾರ್ಕ್, ರೈಟ್? ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಎನಿಹೌ, ದೆನ್ we'll come to, we have discussed one example in the last video that this also a question there in answer given in your PDF file. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ you can see these are all the those 6 details, right? Logo, head, title of the company, ಅದರದ್ದು ಒಂದು slogan, I mean name of the company, ಅದರ slogan. Then you see be better than yourself is a statement, witty statement, or some persuading slogan, and USP is given here, but company details, contact details are not there ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದೆ. And then a picture is there, and within the picture also you see the company name. So when come to the next example, that is among the 10 topics, I have brought one example as a solid example here. See here, Himalaya company launches a new face cream. Prepare an advertisement within a frame with a logo, slogan, and USP is there here. So look at this example. So here, Himalaya since 1930. I have brought this from Creative Commons, but this may not be possible for you to write in the same way in exam. But observe the way company name and some this technique since some year is a common technique you can use for any company for that matter. ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನು ಅಂಡರ್ಲೈನ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನೀವು ಬರೆಯೋದನ್ನು ಈ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಕೂಡ ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಉದಾಹರಣೆ. ದೆನ್ ಹಿಮಾಲಯ ದ ಅಶ್ಯೂರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಬೆಟರ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ, ಸೇಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ box can be used here, similar to the last example. And I said the assurance of better quality is the slogan here. Assurance of better quality can be for any product, any service. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ನೀವು ಬಳಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೋದು. For purifying herbal face wash, that is USP. At the same time, why do you want this product ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಿ. Then wanna have a pimple free, scar free face. Here I thought like somebody who wants to buy this, a customer, what can he expect ಅನ್ನೋದು. There you can observe, wanna have a pimple free, scar free face. This is a slogan you are trying to create. We can make it. Then think of this wise choice, right? So this is possible for any product. Think of this product as a wise choice. Think of this wise choice anta. Then you have Himalayas brand new neem face wash cream. I would like to attract your attention to brand new neem, because here a new face cream is there here. So you can say therefore it's a new product, right? Brand new. Title of the product is touched here. Name of the product is touched here. Neem face wash cream, right? ಯಾವ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಅದರ USP ಅನ್ನು ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸಿ ಪ್ಯೂರ್ ಹರ್ಬಲ್ ಫೇಸ್ ವಾಶ್ ಕ್ರೀಮ್ ಅನ್ನೋಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು USP ಆಗ್ಬೋದು. ಫೈಟ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಜರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು. ದೆನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಎ ಮಾಯಿಶ್ಚರೈಸರ್ ಅನ್ನೋ USP. ಪ್ಯಾಕ್ಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಅಲೋವೆರಾ ಫಾರ್ ಗ್ಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ USP ಆಗಿ. ಈ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ಫ್ರೀ, ಎಕೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ is similar to the last example. A common line you can use for any product ಅನ್ನೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇದು. Then reasonably priced ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಯೂ ಇದೆ. I use the same. So dear students, what I made here is a modification of the last example. So using these models, you can also create the rest of the your own advertisement for the rest of the 9 questions. ಇದೇ ಒಂದು processನಲ್ಲಿ try to attempt those 9 questions. Like this, here you see 30% discount on bulk orders. Contact details is also provided. That means discount offer is touched here for bulk orders. Then you see contact number is there. So all like that model among the model questions, first example is solved here as a model. So with a break, I would come up with another video that will give you further discussion of another 2, 3, 4 topics among the model questions, and we will make that discussion in the next video. So anyhow, so these are the topics already available and showed in the last video as well as circulated among you. The first one is touched here. Himalaya company launches a new face cream is over. Then we will go to the remaining 9 topics as a and discussion of that can be made, and we can solve 1 or 2 directly in the next class, right? Next video. So with that I conclude that we know that advertisement is a public notice asking and offering services or buying, selling goods, or even giving information ಅನ್ನೋದು. Moreover, it's a composition skill which should aim at catching the reader's attention. Therefore it uses certain skills like different visual effect, or even language, colorful language, such other aspects ಅನ್ನೋದು. It involves your creative thinking, your ability to draw and all that, and your language competence also. Totally it's a creative composition skill ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. Anyhow, thank you so much for watching, and I'll come up with the next video and see you in the next video.